Hello students, this is Rajiv and I am going to discuss about the heating effect of electric current. This is also most important part of electricity from both point of view. That's the heating effect of electric current. डिस्कस करने से हम पहले हम जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग को बताते हैं. जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग ये एक हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का ही पार्ट है. इसमें हम तीन फार्मूला को पढ़ते हैं. हीट इक्वल्स टू वी आई टी equals to I square RT and also V square by R into T. इस तीनों में से एक जो है I square RT, इसको प्रूफ जो है ना जूल जो एक साइंटिस्ट वो कर पाए, इसीलिए इसका नाम दे दिया गया जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग. इसमें ये बताया गया, डेराइव किया गया कि हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ कंडक्टर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ करंट. Directly proportional to I square. Heat produced by a conductor is directly proportional to resistance of a wire. H is directly proportional to R. Heat is directly proportional to time. Okay, here is a time and adding both three equations. I square RT हो गया, यहाँ पे हमने K का एक वैल्यू लिया है 1 and I square RT हो गया. So this is all about the Joule's law of heating. Now I am talking about the heating effect of current. What is the heating effect of electric current? What is heating effect of electric current? Now when heat is when electric current is passed through a conductor, it heats up after some time. And discharge heat energy is called heating effect of electric current. Now we calculate formula. As we know, V equals to W by Q, because we have already learned what is electric potential, the work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. So W by Q, and W equals to VQ, and W is also written as VIT, चूँकि Q equals to IT. And now from Ohm's law, V equals to IR, so W equals to IR IT, so W equals to I square RT, and work is done. What type of work? There is a electrical work change into the electrical energy change into the heat energy. That is a work. So heat is directly to I square RT, and we convert this into W equals to I square RT equals to VIT equals to V square by R into T. That's a formula for using. After using Ohm's law, V equals to I to IR, and convert all these, and we get a 3 formula of heat. So thanks you student.